Duplicating a board in Trello is a useful feature when you want to create a copy of an existing board with all its lists, cards, and settings. Here's how to duplicate the board in Trello. Open the board. Log into Trello and navigate to the board you want to duplicate. Access the board menu. On the top right of the board, click on the board's title to open the board menu. Select More. In the drop-down menu, select More to reveal additional options. Click Copy Board. Under the More section, click on the Copy Board option. This will open a pop-up window with board duplication settings. Name the new board. In the pop-up, enter a new name for the copied board. You can choose to keep the original name or provide a new one. Select Additional Settings. You can also choose to keep or uncheck options like including all the board's members and cards, or whether to keep the board's privacy settings. Create a duplicate. Once you've set your preferences, click Create Board to finalize. The new board will be created with the same lists and cards as the original.